YouTube, what's happening? Chris here. I want to bring you something that I was looking at real quick, and I want your opinion on it if you guys are seeing the same thing that I'm seeing. It's looking like NEO has a potential, for a breakout here. What we're seeing is a bull flag on good volume. We had our push up, volume's decreasing. Here's our flag. We're looking to find support off this 20 EMA right here. And we're having a doji. We're having some indecision right now. So basically, guys, what we're looking to see is if we're going to get a nice breakout out of here and potentially target up to around that $24 range. So I'm looking at that right now. There's a couple other things that I wanted to show you. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and put it down low. Do you think this is going to be one of those bull flags? Are we going to have another leg up here, or are we just going to fail and start to roll over? That's what I'm looking at. But one of the things that I always like to do is draw trend lines just to see if this has a potential for a breakout here. So I draw my trend line right there. Guys, let me thin it up a little bit. So right there is what I'm going to be looking at to see if we can have a breakout up here. And a lot of times what you'll do, you'll extrapolate basically the flagpole up, and then you'll kind of add that to the top here, and you'll see, kind of give you an area of where you should target. So what I'm going to do is target around that $24 if we are to break to the upside. If we're to break to the downside, then we would look to around that $14.41. Remember, you always want to have targets to the upside and the downside. Remember, we've talked about that. We always want to have a plan, because right now it could truly break either way. But what I'm looking at is to see if we have a big push of volume come in and we can get a nice trend line break here, guys. So what I was also looking at to correlate with this was a stochastic cross indicator. Take a look here, which is another good sign. So we're having a stochastic cross on the 20 EMA with a potential trend line break. That's what I'm looking at right now. Then we can go out to our RSI. RSI is at 56, so we're just neutral there, cruising, and we could break up either way, up or down, guys. And you know, that's what this game's about. It's about as soon as you see that break on big volume, then once you have your confirmation, you jump into the trade, right? Either to the upside or to the downside. And that's the way that you want to play this. And if you're wrong, cut it real quick. If you're right, let it ride, because this could be a very nice gain here if we are to break to the upside. Let's take a look at the MACD quick. MACD is in the negative. We had a bearish cross right here, guys, looking like it's kind of flattening out a little bit here. Histogram starting to flatten out, but we are in the negative there, so we want to factor that in as well. But just kind of take a look at this. This almost looks like that classic bull flag there. So we're going to see if it plays out. We got to wait to see if that volume will come in. If it does, guys, I'm going to target up around that probably $24 range. So let me know what you think down low. We want to continue to hold these higher lows. That's the biggest thing right now. God bless, guys. Take care.